magicking profits. What I often hear is, well, it's all very well you saying allocate your profit first, move it into the separate bank account, but I don't have profit in my business, or I've got very little profit in my business. Where is this profit going to come from? I can't just magic profits. I still have the same amount going in and I've still got the same amount going out. Like, how does this actually work? I don't understand where these profits are going to come from. And this issue of kind of magicking profits often comes as well when people they start to implement profit first. They get their profit first allocation percentages from the book, and then they do the allocation, and then they realize a week later that actually they don't have. They're going to bounce all their direct debits. There's a big problem here. Nothing is adding up. Nothing is working. Well, the big reason is that businesses still have money leaks. That is why you're struggling to kind of magic up profit in your business. It's typically because there are money leaks in your business. So